Hello everyone, welcome to Videography. Today is a video about Overstock and the sourcing criteria of the Overstock. So coming to pros, first we have the pro that is Overstock provides 5% reward on each purchase. So this will actually help you to build you will get the discount of 5% and you can utilize the 5% reward in your next offer, in your next order. So that is the very good pro for Overstock. The next one is daily coupons on Overstock. Actually, I use that Overstock for a long time. Overstock provides so many coupons for the buyers or for people who are doing drop shipping. The third one is Overstock provides free shipping. And the fourth one is gift option to hide price receipt from parcel. So do you know that as a drop shipper? And now coming to cons, Overstock also send the product in its own packaging. So that is the con. Now the sourcing criteria of Overstock. Sourcing criteria of Overstock is product must be about the product rating must be about 4 and the feedback of the product must be good. So you have to just analyze these two things when you are sourcing a product, that what is the rating of the product and what was the feedback on that specific product. So that's it for the Overstock. See the next video for the sourcing criteria of eBay as a supplier.